This is Bear Hill Shire.
Hungover morning with Jynell as I tend to make breakfast to feed a bunch of people. I am tasked with making French toast. So in order to make French toast, you're going to need the ingredients first. I like to use butter, bread of your choice. Here is cooking spray if you're all about that. We have eggs, we have sugar, we have apple pie spice, we have cinnamon. We have to have the cinnamon or the curse will not work and everyone will die an unhealthy death from eating natural sugar. Vanilla, if you so wish. French toast is a pretty easy food to make. We are going to start by taking our eggs. You may buy your eggs at your local gas station, grocery store, farmer's market, or you can steal them from your neighbor in the middle of the night. I'm not insinuating that I did such a thing, but think about it. It's good for the environment.
And I need a kniffy. Listen. How many do you want me to cover all of it?
Yes, we can.
It's
You now take your now homeless eggs. You take a mixer. If you do not have a mixer or a beater, you may use a fork. I like to start by smushing the yolks. The yolks are the best part. That's the baby bird. That's the part you want to eat. Crazy nutrients. You are going to mix the hell out of these eggs the best that you can. Sing a little song. Da-di-da-di-da. Da-da-da-da. I had a lot of beer. Da-di-da-di-da. You kind of want it to look like a custard, almost. It is not custard. Do not eat this. It will taste really, really gross. Unless you're about to run a 50-mile trek up some stairs with a montage. Okay. This is on. I can feel it. Do not touch the oven, whatever you do. If you do, I will laugh at you and I will not help you. I like to get my butter ready. Why is this hot sauce?
Either that or I like either of the two.
Okay.
Like
The bread has been freed. We're going to take... Good. Sorry, Sumi had asked me a question. It was very vital. It's about the existence of life. So I like to kind of grease up the pan here with butter. Not margarine, butter. Butter is a natural fat. We're going to take our little brushy and I'm going to paint the egg mix onto the bread. This is how we avoid mess. After I have painted the bread yellow, this is when I like to season it. I like your sugar shaker. There we go. Lots of sugar. And this isn't a open. Oh,
We have new one.
a little bit of spice. Cinnamon. Go ahead and let that fall into the egg mix. Put that egg down while it is cooking. You're going to do the same with the top. You're going to paint all that on there as much as you can. Saturate it with the egg. At this point, you're going to let it fall down the sides. It is totally fine if it does that. By the time you are finished, season the other side. That is when you're going to want to check the first side that is cooking to make sure that it's not burning. There we go. Shire on there. Huh?
Put them in the oven.
Okay. Flip it over. Do the same. Add more butter as needed. Just this one. And keep checking either side until the yellow is completely cooked. There we go. I'm just gonna get a nice little cooked up pattern there, as you can see.
You're up there.
Get it pressed down a little bit. The greasier the better. It tastes better like that. Even if they gain 5 pounds, 3 minutes. That's what it's all about. That's pretty. How do I turn this down a little bit? Toward me? Did I turn this down toward me, or is it?
To turn it off or turn it.
Yeah, I just want to turn it down.
This pot right here?
Yay! French toast. And then when you are ready, you take your French toast, pour a bunch of syrup on it, put it in your mouth, you chew, you swallow, and voila.
This has been a production of Bear Hill Films.